Hey guys, I'm coming to you from a cold, wet, nasty, rainy day in Nashville. I'm sitting in my car, hoping it'll get better, but I doubt it. But I'm trying to be positive and look on the bright side. I'm not in California dealing with those horrendous wildfires, so grateful for that. Anyway, I wanted to jump on here real quick and show you some of the deals that I've taken advantage of at CVS this week. That's the week of November 11th through the 17th. You've still got plenty of time to do some of these deals. They're super easy, and especially if you break them up into smaller transactions, you can roll your extra bucks for some really cheap out-of-pocket deals and start saving up those extra bucks for next week for Thanksgiving. It's the best time of the year to coupon at CVS, so we'll be talking about more of that soon. So anyway, the first deal this week is when you buy one of these Sure deodorants or a Brute deodorant, limit of one, so you can only do one or the other. They are on sale for $2.50 this week. There was a $1.50 off coupon in the Smart Source from this past weekend, November the 11th. So you're going to pay $2.50 with the $1.50 coupon. You're going to pay $1 out of pocket, but you're going to get $1 extra buck back. Now, if you are like me and like a lot of people I have seen and had $1 off of any deodorant, CVS CRT, you could use that here. You're going to pay nothing out of pocket and you're going to get that $1 extra buck back. So either will be free or a money maker for you if you do this deal. Second deal I did was they have a promotion going on this week that if you buy any cough drop, and we have found out that does not include like the 10 count trial size, so don't get those, but any other cough drop packages this week, you will get $1 extra buck. So the cheapest ones in the store that I could find are these pumpkin spice CVS brand cough drops. They were only $1.39. and I got back $1 extra buck for those, so that broke these down to 39 cents. Now, it's yet to be seen what a pumpkin spice cough drop is going to taste like, but hey, figure why not try them. So that's a super easy deal, no coupons even necessary for this one. And then let's see if I can find it here. Where did it go? Oh yes, the Skin Mate Shave Gel and also the Edge Shave Gel for the men is on sale this week. Let me see, they are $2.99, and when you buy one you get a $2 extra buck back. So again, no coupons necessary for this. I have heard that some people have also had a CRT printing for an Edge or a Skin Mate Shave Gel, which would be an incredible deal. If you had that, you'd only pay 99 cents out of pocket and you'd get back $2 in extra bucks. But either way, I did not have that, so they're on sale for $2.99. Bought one, got the $2 extra buck back, and again, this is just a limit of one. You can't get both products, you can only get one of the two. And then finally, the other deal that I did, there is a promotion this week on a bunch of mix and match items that when you spend $20, you get a $7 extra buck back. So this is great because Dial is included, Persil is included. I think the Renews-Its, if you like those scenty, smelly things. So anyway, here's just one scenario that I did. I got 2 of these Persil liquid detergents. I think the pods are also included, but these are on sale for $4.99. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of the Dial hand soaps. This is a new scent called Himalayan Salt, which sounds really pretty. So I'm going to try that. And then I also got 2 Dial body washes. The body washes are on a promo. When you buy 2, they're $7, and the hand washes are when you buy 2, they're, let me check here, $4 or $3, $4, excuse me. So with those 6 products, that brought my total to, I believe, $20.98. So we hit that $20 max. There was a $2 off of any one Persil coupon from the October 21st Retail Me Not. And there was a $2 off of 2 Dial body wash digital coupon in your CVS app. You can send to your card, or there's a printable on coupons.com, and then there's also a $2 off of 2 Dial hand soap printable on coupons.com. So I used all those coupons. Plus I had a $2 off of a $6 Dial body wash purchase, so that was fantastic. So I paid $10.98 out of pocket there, but I got the $7 extra bucks back, and I had a $1 rebate in my Savings Star app. So that's how I used all my extra bucks this week. You can do any of those deals, whether you have extra bucks to roll or not. You can do these in mini transactions, like I said, and really lower your out-of-pocket costs. So my total for all of it was, I believe, $18.36. I had $18 in extra bucks going in, so I only paid 36 cents out of pocket, and I got a $7 extra buck for the Dial and Persil, the $1 for the cough drops, the $1 for the, what was the other thing? Oh, the Sure, and the $2 off from the Skin Mate shaving cream. So get out there and do some deals. I may even go back for a couple more before the week is over, and you guys let me know if you have any questions. Have fun.